We told you a few minutes ago the state Senate approved new abortion restrictions at 12 weeks. Maxine Eichner, a Kenan Distinguished Professor of Law at UNC Chapel Hill, joined us now live to take a closer look at the legal implications here. Maxine, you just told me you've read all 46 pages of this bill, so let's talk about the legal aspects and perhaps go a different direction than some of our other coverage has been today. Can, for example, the woman who is pregnant get in trouble if they have an abortion after 12 weeks?
This bill doesn't provide penalties for the woman. With that said, there are plenty of instances in other states where other criminal statutes have been used to charge a woman. So that could certainly happen, but not under this bill.
You know, a lot of discussion yesterday in the House that I was listening to, especially from the Democrats. They were asking a lot about the sponsor of the bill. Will this bill be a chilling effect on doctors? You know, even if a case is very close, perhaps they will worry about losing their license if they go through with an abortion for a woman.
I've spoken to a number of doctors about the language of this bill, and I think that that's a serious concern. What we have seen in other states is that medical emergency exceptions like ours, which are somewhat vaguely worded, make it risky for doctors to deliver abortions even when a patient is at risk. And because of that, women's health has suffered, and women's lives have been lost in other states.
So, you know, coming back to our state here, and you talk a lot about what's going to be happening with doctors here, is having some vagueness in the law actually positive for doctors because they can make their own arguments about why they did what they did?
What a good question. I think the answer to that is no. What happens is that doctors are guided by lawyers like myself who assess risk. And who are anxious about that risk. And what that means is where there is uncertainty about whether an abortion can be delivered, that abortion tends not to be delivered.
So much more that we still have to talk about this. We appreciate your legal expertise. Maxine Eichner, thanks so much for your time tonight.
Thank you.